This is our innovative material that has been developed specifically for flexible containers. Our coated fabrics offer superior durability and resistance to abrasion and other elements. Despite its robust design, it remains flexible and easy to handle. The special properties of the material make it very easy to transport and handle. But also, after its primary use as flexible container, our fabric offers exciting new application possibilities. We are thrilled that our customers are now transforming our material into new products after the first use. For example, they are creating machine covers, handbags, and many other daily solutions. Have you ever thought about other second-use applications? We look forward to hearing from you.